sourdough banana bread loaf video. So it's your typical banana bread, but for those who like to bake sourdough bread, you'll use your starter inside for just an extra boost of flavor. Let's get started. First, we're gonna take your butter, 1 cup of softened butter. You're gonna take your granulated sugar, 1 cup, just gonna sprinkle it in, and then blend. That's it. Just blend it. But the more you blend, the more air you get inside. So when you bake it, you'll have a bit of a more fluffier bread. So let's go blend. We're gonna grab our eggs here. Okay. And our vanilla. Bam. 2 eggs. Ready? Let's go. That was disgusting. Woo. Just like that. Super easy. You're gonna wash your hands if you're a bad egg cracker. Okay. Now blend this up. We're gonna take our bananas, our potato masher, slash banana masher, and you're gonna mash. Mash, 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 mash. Into the bowl it goes. I'm gonna grab our clean wooden spoon over here. Add that in, just like that. Now, all we need now is our flour and our sourdough, which is optional, but I honestly think that it's good to have your sourdough starter inside. It's just a way more flavor. But that's only if you're baking with bread all the time, and if you don't have this in your kitchen, don't sweat it, it's okay. I just add a bunch in there. So I'm gonna add a bit of 1/4 of a cup inside, and just like before, you don't have to blend this in, I would say more just fold it in. And now we're gonna add our actual dry ingredients. So let's get this. Here I have 2 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and some salt. Sprinkle that heat in. We're gonna fold everything together like this. Now see how easy peasy, amazing this was to make. It's super quick. There we go. That's all it is. Because this is a quick bread, which means something fluffy like cake almost, you wouldn't want to mix it too much because you don't want to develop anything like gluten, because that's going to make your bread really tough. You know what I mean? So try to keep the mixing low. When you add the flour, of course. Just like that. So I seem to have enough for another for tomorrow for like banana muffins, so I'm just gonna save the rest. Here you have it. This is the final result. As you can see, you have a nice crust here, and it opened up perfectly. So I'm really happy with the result. I do think that sourdough may have helped a bit, so this is why I like to bake with sourdough. Let's try it out without further ado. So there's nothing in here, it's plain, simple, just the way I like it. Cut the first slice. Bam! Okay, I don't know how it's gonna taste, maybe it's terrible. I like to cut thick slices, I think it's like nice that way. Not bad. I don't mind it. What is your take on my banana bread?
It's good. I like it.
There you go. He likes it. So, we got 1 good review on there, and I will post the recipe down below. Thank you so much for watching this video and clicking on it. I'm very happy you stuck around till the end, and I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment if you want, share if you want. But yeah, that's it. That's the video. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully you'll be here on my next video, because I like making these edits and baking. It's been fun. Okay, bye. That was really